Good morning, YouTube. This is Spider G. Coming back to you this morning. I use my raccoon quite a bit. I'm thinking about putting skips in it, since I do use it. Doesn't really need it at all, but since it's something I do use on a regular basis, I think I want the most solidity and performance out of this. It's a very, very good knife. With this top liner lock, super strong. It is just hopefully something they do in place of button plunge locks, unless the plunge locks could get very secure like this. But in any case, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and clean it and see what sizes this one is. So we will clean it as well. Looks like we got T8s and T6s, so I didn't post anything yesterday. Had a little vacation with the family, so that was pretty cool. Take this. All right. Yeah, it's very nice and relaxing down in the San Diego area by the bay. Oh, you know what? I don't think I need it. Oh, yeah, okay, good. Alright. What is it? 3/64? Yeah, feels like it. But let's just see what the pivot is. 5 now. Won't go on 3/16. Too big for 6. 5 mil. What is bearings? So, not a 1. Fits perfect. 3/64. So 5mm 3/64 bearings. I think I got some of those. I got plenty of those. We are right here. Alright. So just to remember what particular bearings were in this knife, I'll put it right back into the bag that the alright, so these are the raccoon bearings, just in case. But yeah, these are good. I'll just leave those up. Let's go and clean this up if it needs it. Spray down my Q-tips, some alcohol, and make sure this baby's always running. This is such a well-made knife. I love the blade shape. I love the ergos, the geometry with it, the pocket clip on. I mean, that's, to me, I like those. It's very slim, very low, perfect little ramp. I mean, if that's hurting you, you need to toughen up. So, in any case, we're gonna put this away. Continue. I think. I'm hoping the bigger stop pin is the right one. But we will go ahead. Alright. Gotta do first. Let's clean all that up. I'll put skiffs in anything that I feel that would do well on them, High end, budget, doesn't matter. It would only help. But, not that it needed it, but I like this knife a lot, so. Also, I've got this Gunny Glide that I've been using rather than the KPL Heavy, and it actually has been working pretty good. It's a clear liquid, but it seems to have, similar, very similar to KPL. I almost feel like what I was doing late last night, that Gunny Glide was actually a little more smoother, but we'll see. All right. Just Alright. There we go. That guy in there. That guy in there. I don't really have any washers to flip over, so outside of that, let me take the I believe this is a heavy gunny, so let me try some in the detent hole, and then just it's clear. Let me just move this down the track. Okay, we are good to go. Let's go ahead and I got really bad OCD, and I'm not kidding. Not really, really bad, but okay. Let's put that in. I mean, it just goes together. Not that plunge locks are hard to assemble. It's just so easy. Okay. See, that stop pin wasn't seated. Slippery. Excuse me. Alright. Try to stay out of the way. It's hard to do this from this angle, but it's just tedious. It's not difficult, but you go in there. Alright, try and line up. Or does that? Oh, you know what? That would make all the sense in the world. Of course, the stop pin is back there. Okay. So, bam. Yeah. Okay. So normally, since it sits behind it, that thicker stop pin is going to be more robust. This is okay. So yeah, I would much rather have this thicker one than this thinner one. That's just to stop the blade. This is going to keep it from disengaging. So I had them reversed. So and all right, everything looks seated. Let's make sure. Alright, so squeeze it together. It looks like it'll come right back to. You don't do this for a day here. You almost lose your skill for a second. It takes a minute to get back in. Ooh. Ooh, that is good. Button that. Yeah. Completely centered. This is a knife you could pull out your pocket, make a cut, and put it right back in. Yeah. So, yeah, this was a good Skiff install here. Alright. And this baby is sharp. Hopefully. If not, I'll strop it up. But let's see how we're doing. Of course. Okay. Yeah. Clutch ready to go. I need to get more of these Tinker Force things. I might get a whole another one too. They have like or a mat. I'll figure that out. But yeah, that is the Skiff installation, disassembly, cleaning of the Vosteed Raccoon. Very good slicer, good work knife, top liner lock, micarta, 14C, ambidextrous, right and left hand carry. And very good. Very, like, this is the ultimate work knife. If you need a knife that doesn't break the bank, I think it's what, $60 or something like that. But it's on Amazon. Get them very easily. These are available. Go get them. They're awesome. Easy to sharpen up. They have different blades, shapes. They have crossbars. They have. I wouldn't really. To each their own, but beware on the plunge lock version of this. I would just go for the top liner lock. That's the most securest out of them all. Crossbar, you know. But I have that one as well as the plunge. But I mainly use this one. So skiffs are installed, ready to go. That'll be it for this particular video. I hope you liked it. If you can, give me a like, sub, comment, share. This will be Spider G. I'll see you on the very next one. Have fun, stay safe. Bye bye, y'all.